Alright, so I got this generator. I don't know if you guys can see that. An all-pro 8,000 watt generator. It was a little rough shape. They left it outside. Paint was all dull. I don't know if you could see. So I took the generator out of took the wheels off. You see the wheels there? Took all these bolts off. See all these bolts? I'm gonna use the good old wire wheel. Clean all the bolts. But let me show you. I'm not too sure if you guys are gonna be able to see. But here's the frame. I sanded it down and got all the rust off. Then I sprayed it. Not the whole thing, just a couple areas. I did sand the whole thing down. But so far, I sprayed it with this. So, a little hobby of mine is buying and selling gas and diesel generators. This generator right here, 15,000 watt ultra source Guardian, made by Generac. This is the tank for the little generator that I'm redoing. I'll show you really quick. So this tank had a lot of garbage in it. I think I might actually buy a new tank, but I ordered this off eBay. It came with a nice little filter. Tank's somewhat clean, but I got all the crap out of it. But what I don't like is I got this soaking in some WD-40, so I could take this out, replace that, and then I would sand this down and give it a nice paint job. But if we can't get this out, a new tank on eBay is around 53 bucks. I might go for a new tank, only because I went through all this work. Right now, yeah, pulled the whole thing out of the crate so I could clean it up. See these wheels, see all the rust and everything? I'm going to take that all off with the wire wheel or my my air tool with the little wire on it. And that's really it. So I will make another video shortly of redoing the windings. This is going to be part one. I'm going to not redo the windings, I'm sorry. Put in new brushes. And if there's a capacitor or an AVR in there, I'm just going to order one. And we'll show you what that is. And I'm probably not going to change it. I'm just going to have a spare one. And then we're going to take the carburetor apart. We're going to clean that. And then we're going to start it up. We're going to add an inline filter as well as the tank filter. And then we're going to get a new spark plug, gap it, put it in, and see if it still runs after I do all this. So, this is part one. Generator resto. That's basically what I'm doing. Not rebuilding it, just cleaning it up. And I see all these YouTube videos of guys doing all this stuff. This is my garage, by the way. I'm going to get some lighting in here. I got to insulate it. And put up some plywood after I insulate it. And then cool it. Because I'm in Florida and it gets hot. So, that's really it. I'll take another video tomorrow of the, I don't know what you call it, bracket, box, all painted. I'll show you the paint I got here. Because it did have a little, you know, cancer on it. I got it off with the wire brush, sanded it down, but there's some little spots. I got this paint here. It's called Hammered. It's kind of like a textured paint. I figured it looked nice. So that's it for this video. I'll make another video. Oh, I wanted to show you guys something. So these are some of the panels. And I wanted to keep the sticker, but you see how the paint's very dull and crappy. So I'm going to sand this down. I got, it's not in the package, but I just got some 150. So I'm going to sand this down and then paint it. See, the inside's nice. And then, you know, take this off. So, I wanted to show you, I'll show you with this one. You know, I taped up right to the edge of the sticker. You know, put another piece, taped up right to the bottom edge of the sticker. And then I took my nail. And I don't know if you guys could see that line, but I just kind of went like that. Okay. Then I got an alpha knife. And then just doing this with one hand sucks. So I'm going to stop, but you get the point. So it looks nice like that. And then I'm going to sand them down and paint these too. These obviously don't need the rust spray, so I'm just going to sand them down and then put the paint primer and one on here. And that's it. So I'll take another video, maybe in a little while, with the frame all painted. I might paint it tonight. So that's it. Again, this is an all-power 8,000 watt, 13 horsepower high performance generator, and just doing a quick resto, cleaning it up, and then putting it online for sale.